and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I have this eyeshadow palette here from Makeup by Mario to try out. So this is the newest one from the Master Mattes collection. This is the Neutrals palette. So this is what it looks like here. So we've got a really lovely, obviously neutral colour story just here. And quite obviously from the name, all matte shades as well. These look really nice, I have to say. They're really workable shades. And you've got some perfect cool tones in here as well. Absolutely loving this. So we'll give them a quick swatch. So here is what the swatches look like. They're really nice actually. As I say, kind of perfect neutral tones. You've got some lighter shades, you've got some medium and some dark shades in here. You could create pretty much any look with this, to be quite honest with you. Right, okay, so I think I'm going to start off by going into my crease using this shade just here. It's kind of like a bit of a mushroomy shade, I would say. Oh, beautiful pigment on that, really nice. Such a nice colour. It's like a grey sort of browny shade. As I say, it's a bit mushroomy. So I'm just going to blend that through now. Fantastic. That was so easy to use, really easy to blend out as well. So I'm going to blend out the edge of that further using, I think I'm going to go for the third one along on the top. So it's, yeah, this one looks lighter on the camera, but it's this one just here. So I'm literally taking this, kind of overlapping slightly and just taking this around the edge because I want to just kind of disperse it out a little bit. Yeah, that's worked really well actually. Those two colours together are absolutely perfect. And then right on the outer corner here, I think I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to take this dark brown just here. It's like a deep, warm chocolate brown, I would say. I can't get over the pigment of these on the brush. They're beautiful. Oh my word. That is mega pigmented. Just had a bit of fallout there as well. Definitely need to tap them off a bit. Oh, apart from the fallout, I'm absolutely obsessed with that colour. It looks darker on the eye than it does in the pan. Normally it's the other way around. But yeah, it definitely looks more kind of brown in the pan, but on the eye it almost looks a bit of a charcoal black. I love it. I think it's stunning. Oh, I absolutely love this. I really do. So the next colour I'm going to go in with will be on the inner part here, and I'm going to take this one on the end here. So it's kind of like a very pale, almost like a coffee brown, but a pale coffee. I actually feel, I do like that colour in itself, but I feel like it needs to be even lighter on that inner part. So I'm actually going to go over the top with the almost white shade on the corner just here. See if we can get a little bit more brightness to that. Yeah, that's better, I think. But on the underneath, I think I'm going to take that one that I used before on the end just here, that kind of pale coffee shade. So I'm just taking it on this kind of fluffy, flattish brush just here, just so I can kind of smoke it out a bit on that underneath just there. Yeah, that's really nice. It's kind of natural, which I quite like on the underneath. Okay, so I'm just going to finish off with a bit of mascara and lippy and I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look, and overall I really like this. I think it's a really beautiful palette. Lovely. Such a nice colour story and really wearable as well. I think it's really hard to find a neutral eyeshadow palette that has cool tones in it. I've looked and there's a lot of warm tone neutral palettes, but this is an absolutely stunning cool tone palette. It really is. So impressed with the quality of it. Really nice to blend, beautiful pigment. Yeah, I cannot fault it. I really can't. I think it is absolutely stunning. Really nice palette for all looks as well. You know, you can use this. I mean, you could use it for a wedding even if you wanted to, you know, for a bride, or you could use it as an everyday palette. You could use it as an evening palette. Yeah, it's really versatile. So as always, all products shown in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!